RealPage OneSite is a popular property management software, but before you consider buying it, there are 12 things you need to know. This will help you compare it to other options and ensure you're making the best choice for your real estate business. First, RealPage OneSite is designed to streamline the property management process by providing a central hub for all your operations. While it's feature-packed, it's important to know that it can be a bit overwhelming for smaller businesses compared to simpler alternatives like Rentec Direct or Buildium. Next, its pricing structure can be confusing. RealPage doesn't offer transparent pricing on their website, so you need to get a quote based on your business needs. This lack of upfront information makes it harder to compare with other platforms that provide clear pricing, like AppFolio. The third thing to know is that RealPage OneSite is cloud-based, meaning you can access your property management data from anywhere. While this is great for on-the-go management, it does require a stable internet connection, unlike some software that offers offline functionality. Now, the fourth thing to consider is the user interface. Some users report that OneSite's interface is complex and not as intuitive as competitors. Systems like Yardi Voyager are often praised for their cleaner, easier to navigate design. The fifth thing is that RealPage integrates with a variety of third-party apps, which is great if you need more customization. However, this can also lead to complications if integrations aren't set up properly. Other software, like Rentec Direct, offers simpler, built-in tools that might be more suitable if you prefer a plug-and-play solution. Next, RealPage OneSite offers strong accounting features, which can help you manage your finances effectively. However, it's worth noting that these tools are geared more towards larger businesses and may feel overcomplicated for smaller property owners, who might prefer the streamlined financial tools offered by AppFolio. The seventh thing to note is its support and customer service. While RealPage offers phone support and an online knowledge base, the response times can sometimes be slow. Smaller companies like Tenant Cloud are known for their faster, more personal customer service experience. Moving on to the eighth point, OneSite's marketing capabilities are extensive, allowing you to automate listings, leasing, and more. While this can be a huge advantage, it might be overkill for those with just a few properties. If you're managing fewer units, platforms like Buildium may offer more targeted marketing tools for your needs. The ninth thing is the lease tracking functionality. OneSite provides comprehensive lease management, but this feature is mostly beneficial for large property managers with complex leasing requirements. For simpler needs, software like Rentec Direct may provide more straightforward lease tracking. Next, the reporting tools in RealPage OneSite are robust. You can generate detailed reports on occupancy, financials, and more. However, the depth of these reports can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially for smaller businesses that need basic reporting features. Software like Yardi is often seen as more adaptable for businesses with straightforward reporting needs. The 11th thing is its mobile app. While OneSite offers a mobile app, users have reported that it's not as functional or polished as other mobile apps in the market. AppFolio's mobile app, for example, is often praised for its ease of use and range of features. Finally, RealPage OneSite is ideal for large property management companies, offering powerful automation and integrations. But if you're a smaller business or just starting out, the complexity of OneSite might not be the best fit. Alternatives like Buildium or Tenant Cloud are often more user-friendly for those with fewer properties. So, while RealPage OneSite can be a good option for larger operations, if you're looking for something simpler, more affordable, and just as effective for smaller businesses, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.